here we are back at Keto Naturopath Kitchen, and today we're going to do some snacks. Snacks that you can bring to barbecues, cookouts, any kind of gatherings, so that you know that you have something that you can eat at these gatherings and stay on plan. So we're doing cheesy baked pickle chips. They're so good, they're delicious, and easy to make. First you get some paper towels. And on that you put your pickle chips and you cover them with paper towels and make sure that they're completely dry. You need all moisture taken out. Then you take some sliced cheese. I have two different kinds. I have a very thinly sliced cheddar and I also have a regular sliced cheddar. I have done this with cheddar, with mozzarella. So you can do it with any sliced cheese that you like. Parchment lined baking sheet. I do the regular size, I do in thirds. So I cut it in half and then I cut it in thirds. And then the thin sliced, I just do in quarters. And they really don't spread that much, so here they are. And then what you do is you take one pickle chip, put it on one slice and cover it. So slice pickle chip cheese, slice pickle chip cheese, and so on. You're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. You're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool completely, because when they're warm, they're not going to be crunchy, so let them cool completely. So I'll put these in the oven, 375 degrees for 10 minutes. And this is the result. This one here is with the thicker, light cheddar cheese. These here are the thinner cheddar cheese, orange cheddar cheese, the thinly sliced. So let's try it. A great combination of cheese and pickles. Perfect keto snack.